Hey, this is your host Navneet, and in this video we'll talk about some problem. See, if a man walks 5 meter west and then 4 meter south and then 4 meter in 30-degree west of south, what is the final position of the man? Why a dashed west of south? This is important. This is important. So look carefully. Here we are asked that a man walks 5 meter west. So first draw the coordinate axis. This is north, south, west and east. Okay, it is asked 5 meter west. Okay, man walks 5 meter west, 5 meter west now, and then 4 meter south. This is okay. We know this is south. Okay, this downward direction is south. So from here he goes on south. This is south, so 4 meter south. Okay, this downward that direction is the south, 4 meter south, and then 4 meter 30-degree west of south. Here we temporarily draw the coordinates from here. This is origin. Suppose this is origin, this is west and this is south. So what is 30-degree west of south? It is nothing but it makes an angle 30-degree from the south in the direction of west. That means the west of 30-degree west of south. What is the mean of 30-degree west of south is it makes an angle 30-degree from the south toward the west. This is the this 30-degree angle and this is south. We temporarily draw the coordinate axis from this position. If we see a case like this, west of south, this is south, this is west, this is east and this is north. This is the temporary origin. Okay, from here this is south, this is west, so this line is the 30-degree west of south. 30-degree angle from south towards the west. Okay, this is the 30-degree west of south, and what 4 meter. So this is 4 meter 30-degree west of south. Okay, now this is the final position. C is the final position. What is the final position of the man? We have to find the final position of the man. Okay, first of all we have to draw the coordinate axis and their representations of direction. We resolve the BC in x and y direction. Okay, we have to resolve this BC, this BC, this BC in the direction this and this. That means y direction and x direction. Okay, so on resolving, you know the resolving, this is 4 and this is angle theta. So this will be 4 cos theta and this will be 4 sin theta. This is 4, this angle is theta, then this will be 4 cos theta and this will be 4 sin theta. Okay, now we have the y coordinate and this plus this, finally x coordinate. Okay, now we have the scenario like this. If I see the coordinates on y-axis, then this will be 4 plus 4 cos theta. The coordinate of C on y-axis is 4 plus 4 cos theta, and the coordinate of C on x-axis is 4 sin theta. This 4 sin theta plus this 5 meter. Okay, so 5 plus 4 sin theta. The coordinate of C will be OC vector. This OC vector will be, coordinate of C will be OC is equal to 5 plus 4 sin theta minus of I cap. Why? Because this distance is along the negative x direction, negative x-axis. Okay, the 5 plus 4 sin theta, so minus of I cap, and this is on negative y direction. So this is 4 plus 4 cos theta minus j cap. Solve. 5 plus 4 sin theta 1 by 2, 5 plus 4 into 1 by 2 minus of I cap plus 4 plus 4 cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2, and this is minus j cap. Now this will be 2, 5 plus 2 minus of I cap plus 4 plus, this will be 2 root 3, 4 plus 2 root 3 minus of j cap. This will be 7 of minus I cap plus 4 plus 2 root 3 of minus j cap. So we'll find finally OC vector is equal to minus 7 I cap minus 4 plus 2 root 3 j cap. This is the final coordinate of C, final position of the man. Here is the representation of, we can also find the OC vectors. What is the angle of OC vector that he makes, that it makes from the negative x-axis or positive x-axis. This is alpha. So if this is a triangle, apply tan alpha is equal to this upon this, perpendicular upon base. So we'll get this, tan alpha is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7. then alpha is equal to tan inverse 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7. That means alpha degree south of west. If I see here, OC vector is in what direction? It can be asked, what is the final direction that OC vector makes from the origin? It can be asked, what is the final direction that OC vector makes? Okay, the OC vector is this, and this is south, and this is alpha. So it is the alpha degree towards south from the west. Okay, it is alpha degree towards south from the west, so that we can see here, this will be nothing but alpha degree south of west. Okay, alpha degree south of west, this is all alpha. And OC vector makes an angle pi plus alpha or alpha plus pi degree from positive x-axis. You can see clearly this makes an angle alpha. This whole is pi and this is alpha, so pi plus alpha from the positive x-axis. This is the angle which OC vector makes. So this is the final coordinate of the man, and what angle he makes and in what direction. This is all for now. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.